Hello. In this video, we will review the settlement time graphs for the settlement analyses we performed at point G3 in the previous video. From the units list, I set the time unit to years. Then, I move to the Foundation Analyses window from the Analysis menu. For settlement time graphs, I select the second tab. From the list, I select point G3. Then, I click the Settlement Analysis button. The program draws the settlement time graph on the screen. The graph is drawn for the 5-year period entered on the left. The consolidation settlement after 5 years is 4.4 centimeters. The total consolidation settlement, as shown earlier in the Settlement Analysis tab, is 5.5 centimeters. Now, to see the full settlement time graph, I increase the consolidation duration to 50 years. Then, I click the Settlement Analysis button again. The program now draws the settlement time graph for 50 years. The year where the curve becomes horizontal, around the 30th year, indicates that consolidation is completed. The second graph shows the total settlement, where elastic settlement is added to consolidation settlement. By default, the program generates settlement time graphs based on the T50 parameter entered in the consolidation properties. Below, you can see the table showing consolidation calculations. The U value represents the ratio of dissipated excess pore water pressure to the initial excess pore water pressure. Now, let's also generate settlement time graphs using the T90 parameter. I right-click and open the Analysis Settings window. In this window, under the Settlements tab, I select the option to use T90 for settlement time graphs and click Apply. Then, I refresh the settlement analysis. In this way, the settlement time graph based on the T90 parameter is also obtained. The reliability of these graphs depends on the parameters obtained from laboratory tests. Now, I right-click again and return to the Analysis Settings window. I select the T50 parameter and click Apply. I refresh the settlement analysis. Now, let's talk about the graph options. The first option allows us to display the Terzaghi correction on the graph. I enable this option. Then, I enter the construction duration as 5 years and refresh the settlement time analysis. In this way, the program considers the construction period and applies the Terzaghi correction on the graph. On the left side, there is also an option to display settlement values on the graph. Let's take a look at this as well. I keep the option to show only points selected and refresh the settlement analysis. You can save the graph as an image. You can also export the settlement time calculation table to Excel. To increase the accuracy of the settlement time graphs, I right-click and open the Analysis Settings window. In this window, we can increase the number of points used in the settlement time graphs. I set the number of points to 100 and click Apply. Then, I refresh the settlement analysis. As you can see, the accuracy of the settlement time graphs has increased. Thanks for watching.